I like it. We're clipping. I like this one. So let me just go to the separates for this. So this is everything on that audio, all the percussions, the arrangement. This is just a song idea. It can kickstart you to start something. I like this. Wait. I don't know, somewhere here. Alright, hello, what's up guys? Welcome to Mixing with 82K. Before we get some work done, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on this channel, because if you don't do so, I won't feel inspired, but if you do so, I will feel inspired and drop more content for you. In this specific video, I'll be releasing Amapiano Drum Loops, Ama82K Version 2. These loops, they are actually good for any type of Amapiano. It can be club banger, Bagadi, and Amapiano sound that you can do. These loops are on fire. So before I jump into the software and show you what's inside the loop pack and how to use it, like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let me jump into the software and show you what's happening. Okay, cool. Let me quickly show you what's inside the folder. So you're going to see these loops that are outside, and then you're going to see this folder. So inside each folder, you get separates for these loops. For example, let's say you want to use groove number 1. So if you want to use groove number 1 and then you want separate stems for this loop, you have to open the folder number 1, groove number 2, folder number 2 goes like that. Then there's also this folder, Ama82K demo songs. I have included 3 songs idea. I created this just to make you feel inspired that these loops, they can kickstart you creating any type of Amapiano sound that you want to do. For example, for club bangers, or something that is chilled, or something that is a pop type Amapiano. So let me just quickly play these drum loops, and then from there I can dive deep into the separates and the demo songs. And you can hear, let me just change. I like it. I like it. Yeah, when you can shine, you can feel the vibe. I like it. I actually like this, and I don't know why is it too low. Let me just replay it again. This can be my favorite. Let me just grab it here and boost gain. I'm gonna boost gain for this one a little bit. It's just a cool loop. I like it. It's cool. Okay, it's cool. Yeah, I like it. I like it. This one is for banger. And can you guys hear the cinematic feel of these percussions? Nice. Can you hear the cinematic feel? I like it. Okay, cool. So let me just go to the demo songs that I created using these loops. Like I said, these loops, you can actually create any sound. Like for club, these loops, they can fit for anything. For club, for pop, Amapiano, for Sigija, for Bagadi, for anything, for any Amapiano music. So let me just preview this first song. Okay, cool. So you can actually hear. And then what I like about these loops is they change over time. I didn't just create like a 5-second loop, like a drum loop, whereby if you are new to Amapiano music, you might stuck in terms of ideas. Even if you grab the separate for each. So I'm gonna come to the demo songs. Let me just show you what I like. For example, let's say I wanna use this groove number 2, or maybe this one, this groove number 2. So if you open to the separates and grab all these like this, okay, let me put them here. Let them refresh. I'm gonna have to add something here, like just to boost volume. So if I go under dynamics and glue compressor, okay, I'm gonna do this here, a little bit of volume here. So let me play. So I'm saying what I like about this loop is I didn't just create like a 5-second loop or 3-second loop whereby you stuck, especially if you're new to Amapiano. I'm trying my best to help you guys and to give you quality content here and quality things. If I made to give you loops, I have to give you something that is proper. So you can see there is a bit of arrangement. For example, if I made to zoom this like this, for example, you can see that here this percussion is not playing from the first, it just starts from here. So these are like sections. This drum loop that goes with the section. For example, if you to do your song, you can just take this first simple section, like this first simple section. Let me just do this with an example of the loop so that you can see the waveform of what I mean. Okay, so this is what groove number 2. So groove number 2, let me just do this. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, number 2, which is this one. Okay, cool. So I'm saying, since it changes, like there will be more percussions this side, so you can use this first section for like intro, first part, and then when it goes chorus, and then when it goes to that log drum parts, and then you can use this section whereby every element is playing, like, and with other more percussions, it's now like it's now groovy. It's no more like the same thing from the beginning. So they can guide you to do a lot of things. So let me just jump into the second song. Now, did I drag the separate for the first song? No, I didn't. Let me just go to the demo and delete all this and just I played the first song. So here is the separate for the first song. So you can actually do like this. Let me do this here. I'm gonna press H here. Cool, it is refreshing. Let it load, guys. Let me zoom here a little bit. Okay, so these are not like demo songs, like full songs. These are just the song ideas. I didn't actually finish them. I just wanted to give you guys like a quick like that inspiration. Like I just want you guys to feel inspired so that you'll be able to use these loops as well. So if you wanna carry on with this song, or if you wanna use this idea to create your song, it's up to you. Me, I'm not part of it, and it's free to use because you guys, you have managed to get these loops. So you can see chords and then everything. Okay, okay, cool. Let me just move on to second song. So let me drag this. Let me play. This is like a club type. So if you open, you see, if you go to the song number 2, you're going to see all the separates, everything included on this demo song. Let me just play the last one. I like it. We're clipping. I like this one. So let me just go to the separates for this. This was song number 3. So inside song number 3, let me grab this. I like this idea, it's cool. So this is everything on that audio, all the percussions, the arrangement. This is just a song idea. It can kickstart you to start something. I like this. Pa, 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 da, da. Wait. I don't know, somewhere here. No. Pa, 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 that whistle. Where is it? Where is the whistle? Okay. Do, do, do. And this ambient. They're cool. So that's all, guys. Like I said, all these separates, all these folders are for separates. You just have to grab whatever that you want to use there, put them there. Okay, this one needs a little bit of gain. You can chop and come up with your own arrangements as well. So that's it, guys. That's all for this loop pack, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys.